Hello guys, how are you? This is Emma from GOSE Factory. Today, I want to introduce you one-piece toilet. Look at this model. What is one-piece toilet? The tank and the toilet bowl connected together to be one unit. This is our one-piece toilet, model number 3034. Let's look at the shape. The toilet bowl is narrower in the middle. It looks slim and elegant, and the tank is straight. Inside this side button, leaving the space for your mobile phone. Let's check out the flushing system. It is Tornado Washdown, and this is the one-hole tornado. The water comes out from this side hole and generates a very powerful tornado flush all over the toilet bowl, and it covers all the bowl and clean completely. And we also have the standard 5 cm water seal inside the outlet hole to avoid the bad smell and keep your bathroom fresh. This model will use the UFC cover, and it is thick and very good quality. Here we can see there is one button for quick release. It is easier for you to install or release the seat cover. And these two screws will use the stainless steel. It is very strong for long-term use. Close the seat cover. We can find it close very slowly and quiet. Inside the tank, we use the wheel well water fittings, which is very strong and efficient for flushing. We have 3-year warranty for you, and for the ceramic part, we have 10 years warranty for you. For this model, we have both S-trap and P-trap available, and it is suitable for South Asia, Middle East, and South Middle Asia market. For the packaging of this model, we usually use one box to pack it, and we use the standard exporting 5-layer carton box, and at the bottom of the box we will use the 1.5 cm honeycomb to better protect it. This model is with 4-inch outlets and full glaze strap, which can avoid any blocks, and it can make the flushing more efficiently. For one 40-feet high-Q container, this model can be loaded till 360 pieces. If you are interested in this model, please feel free to contact me. I'm Emma from GOSE Factory, and we sincerely waiting for your order. Thank you.